I don't know how this is, but my mom used to do like this for us. This is like this. This is like this.
What are you doing? Don't touch your face. Just stay here.
You now go like this.
You now, this is what you have to get for. Don't touch me, abeg.
Now. Don't mind my sister, yeah?
No, please.
I do not know how it is, but my mom is enjoying and I did not do it before.
My leg on
Don't look at my sister, eh?
Please.
My mom used to do like this. She used to do like this. Yeah. My mom used to do like that. She used to do like this too. You stand up. You now come like this. You now, sister, should we go inside?
I will slap your face. I will slap. I'm just only doing this for you.
Let us go inside now, eh? You know I've been waiting for this for long.
You leave my house! Leave my house! Leave! Hey! What are you doing here? And you! Leave my house! Leave my house! You! What is going on in my house?
Madam, who are you now?
How dare you! This is my daughter! This is my daughter! What are the both of you doing here? I want to show. Oh yeah, Mama, no, do it to me. Why are you beating me now? What have I done to myself? Hey! Stand up! Get out of my house!
Now you know your daughter.
Hey! Jesus! What are you guys doing? What are the both of you doing? Is this how you want to live your life? Is this how you want to live your life? Why now? Why? Mom? Why? You are crying. It's a bad thing. Jesus. It's not bad, very bad. I don't know what I will see. I don't know you guys will take after me. I don't want you guys to take after me. I'll be teaching you guys the bad things.
Why are you crying?
I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I never knew I was teaching you bad.
Mom, we just got started.
This is the beginning. This is a bad thing, right? Because my daughter said, why are you pressing her? Why didn't you tell her the truth? You are a mother. What legacy are you putting? Are you laying down for us? I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm sorry. I didn't know I was teaching you guys bad things. I don't know what I was doing. Ever since your father died, you know I've been the only one taking good care of the both of you. Your family should not do prostitution. You should engage in prostitution, bringing different men.